Do you know a young person eager to grow and succeed? Now is the time to register them for the Kiwanis Leadership Experience. For over a century, Kiwanis has empowered youth, and Westminster Kiwanis is continuing that legacy here in our community. Leadership skills, communication, problem solving, teamwork are vital for college and career success. The programs will help young people develop the essential skills of communication, problem solving, and teamwork, making them stand out to universities and employers. Choose from two exciting options. Starting January 25th is the first option, an in-depth curriculum for 9th and 10th graders. And then, on January 27th, is a one-day course for 7th and 8th graders. Expert instructors will include development specialists, regional and prominent figures from our community. Kiwanis is proud to partner with the Carroll County Chamber of Commerce and McDaniel College to bring these incredible opportunities. Unlock your students' full potential. Register for a Kiwanis Leadership program today. The registration deadline is January 22nd. Visit the Westminster, Maryland Kiwanis website for more information.